Hello, my name is Jay Gotra. I'm the CEO of Smart Green Solar. Now, one of the questions that gets asked all the time is how long does the solar installation and activation process take? Now, the reality of things is an average timeline is about 8 to 12 weeks when it comes to installing solar. Now, obviously, when it talks about solar, it's part of a construction project. You're getting permits, you're working with inspectors, you're working with the utility company. In many cases, we can actually expedite the process and move faster and get it done even sooner than 8 weeks. But the reality of things is sometimes a project can take as long as 3 to 6 months to complete if we run into some hiccups or some issues like past due utility bills, past due tax bills. So there could be some variables that could play a part. But the great news is that we can help homeowners resolve those challenges because we've installed thousands of customers in this marketplace. We know how to navigate those things and get the project home faster than many other companies. As a matter of fact, our banks rate us top 1 in Rhode Island and Massachusetts for our installation timelines, and we're the top 5% in the nation. So if timeline is something that is a concern to you, then Smart Green Solar is definitely the best option for you. So if you're looking to move forward and you're looking to own your power, there's no better partner than Smart Green Solar. Have a great day.